Hey everybody, it's Steven with Keller Williams. I just wanted to go over how you could send out a virtual flyer. I actually just had an appointment about this the other day, and I thought it would be a great opportunity to just make a short video on this because it's really simple, but it's an effective way to get out a really nice looking image to your database and also just get the word out much faster without having to do postcards or too much planning, okay? From the home page in Command, we're going to go to Designs, and you're going to go to Create Design, top right. And we're gonna go social. Yeah, we're gonna go social. You could do email too, that's fine, but we're just gonna go ahead and click social. I'll show you why. We're gonna do, let's see here. Let's do a just listed little flyer here, kind of. All right, and I'm not gonna customize this just for the sake of the it being short here. In designs, I can go over this with you guys in detail. It's really easy to use. It's not like it's Photoshop. It's very simple. I'm just literally going to customize a few things. You know what? No, I'm not. I'm not going to. Test for flyer. Okay, so we're going to name it that. There it is. We're going to say it's done. Great. So now we have that design, right? Now it may not be perfectly formatted. We're going to find out in a second. But we can make a smart plan. So say this was a flyer. I tried having one of the agents flyers that I used the other day, but it wasn't working because it has to be a design in your designs for it to work easily. Because when you make a command email, it's going to ask you to import the design. You could import it like right here, but it's going to want it to be a PDF. Okay, so you might have to convert it depending on what kind of file you have. I didn't want to do that because I don't think most of you convert files or want to do that. So we're just going to do it the easier way. Okay, which is literally creating a design through command yourself. Now that we have the flyer that we'd like to send out, we're going to go ahead and navigate to Smartplans. Okay, there it is. And now what we're going to do is we're going to create a new one from scratch. We're going to say test flyer market, whatever, right? Doesn't really matter, just test. Great. This is one of the easiest smart plans you can do, okay? So we're not going to have any kind of delay, any kind of anything. Just listed Magic Kingdom Resort. Obviously it's not, but this is just a test. Now you see where it says email type? This is the cool part. So command emails are really great. I would recommend using them. They can be a little clunky, and if you're not too good with tech, they're actually a little bit annoying with some things, to be truthful. It could be a little bit clunky, or the text can look a little bit off. But for something like this, command emails are invaluable. So we're going to go ahead and literally just open up this first template. We're going to get into this in a different video, okay? But I'm going to literally delete everything in this template. There's probably a better one I could have picked. I'm literally just clicking and deleting, clicking and deleting. The little trash can right here. That's it. It's very simple. You're literally just getting rid of everything, okay? That I'm going to keep. Maybe I want that in there. Okay, since I'm not an agent, this will populate, but it won't look as right as yours would. When you're an agent, this section always looks nice and clean, okay? It'll populate all this stuff once we send it out, and I'll show you what it looks like. We're going to go ahead and do image, okay? And it's going to say, oh, okay, we have my images. We could add a listing image if we wanted to. But, oh, wait, I forgot I could do this. So ignore what I said earlier because I forgot that I already downloaded it. I thought that I hadn't. So I had already downloaded a flyer that I worked on with another agent the other day. She already did all the work for the flyer. I was just helping her send it out. Shout out to our ALC member, Sharon. So I hope you don't mind I'm using it as an example. So this is what a good flyer looks like, okay? So ignore that crap that I had before. It was not that good. It was obviously just a little test. But this is what a customized flyer looks like. This looks great. And say we wanted to send this out to our whole database, which is what Sharon and I had done for her the other day. This looks good, right? So if we wanted to test to actually make sure it looks all right, we can do a test email, okay? So I know all of you are probably like, what is all this on the bottom? Like, this looks terrible. And don't worry, okay? So you can hit preview, but I'm going to send a test email. So you see where it says options up here? Go ahead and click that and then hit send test email. And I'm going to send it to myself. All right. And then we can hit save and exit. And what it's done is I didn't name that anything, so that was a mistake, but I'm going to select that. And you definitely want to make sure you name it. and don't mess that up, but you'd want to name it, Flyer for whatever the property might be. This is literally, if you wanted to just send this out, there you go. You could just literally hit save right there and then start sending it out. It's not even like a smart plan. It's just a mass email that's been customized and looks a little bit better. So let me go ahead and open my email. Okay. So this is what it would look like. So obviously I'm not an agent, which is why my license number isn't there. And then we have basically all of our info, right? So that's a quick way to send out a flyer to all your database. You would literally just hit, add to smart plan, then click everything that you need to. But nice and short and simple. If you guys have any questions, let me know.